In this video, I'm going to show you the proper procedure for bleeding the brakes on this GMC Sierra. Let's get into it. You want to get any of the dirty fluid out of the master as much as possible. You're going to use a rag, wipe off the cap. Make sure there's no dust or dirt on the cap. Take the cap off. We're going to use a fluid extraction pump. Just extract just as much as you can get out. This way you don't have dirty brake fluid going through the system. You don't have to pump it as much. Now, putting the correct brake fluid in, you want to check the cap. This vehicle requires .3. You want to use a unopened container and fill it up with fresh brake fluid. Up to the max line right there. That's good. Put the cap on. And in the event that you have to do an ABS bleed procedure because the system was completely drained, you're going to need a special scan tool. With the vehicle raised and supported safely, you want to take all four wheels off. And we're starting at the right rear wheel, and then we're going to go to the left rear. From there, we're going to go to the right front wheel, then to the left front wheel. Now you can see on the brake caliper, the bleeder screw right here. I'm going to take the little cap off. If you need to, you can use a pick or a small screwdriver. Take that off. We're going to use a 10mm wrench. And then to keep it a little cleaner, I'm just going to use a hose. The brake fluid's going to go through the hose. And then with an assistant in the vehicle, we're going to have them pump the brake pedal. Go ahead, pump the brake pedal. Nice and slow. And then hold it. Open up the bleeder screw. And you can see the brake fluid coming out, and there's some bubbles. And we'll close it up. Go ahead, pump the brake pedal. And then hold it. We'll do it again. A little bit more bubbles. Close it up. Go ahead, pump it again. And hold it. All right, close it up. Go ahead, pump it again. And hold it. There we go. Pedal goes to the floor. Close it up. You take the hose off. Just make sure this bleeder screw is snug. And put the cap on. Clean up any area that is messy with some brake parts cleaner. And then move on to the left rear wheel. The procedure on the left rear wheel is going to be the same as the right rear wheel. And you want to take the cap off and top off the brake fluid. Make sure it's up to the max line. Put the cap on. Now we're going to be on the right front caliper. We're going to do the same thing. Take the cap off, put the 10mm wrench on, and I'm going to use the hose. And we'll have our assistant go ahead and pump. Go ahead and pump. Nice and slow. And then while they're holding it, we're going to crack it open. And you can see the brake fluid coming out. I'll just close it up. Go ahead, pump. And hold it. Open it up. Nice clean fluid, no bubbles. Close it up. Go ahead, pump. And hold it. Open this up. Again, clean fluid, no bubbles. That's good. can close this up. Take the hose off. Clean it up with some brake parts cleaner. You can let off the brake. Put the cap on. Just make sure that is tight, that's snug. And then from here, you're gonna move on to the driver's side front or the left front wheel and do the same procedure. After you're done, if the fluid still seems pretty dirty, you can repeat the steps until the fluid is clear. And you wanna take the cap off and top off the brake fluid. Make sure it's up to the max line. Put the cap on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.